Hello, welcome to the OBSMT, the professional SMT and DIP machines manufactured in China. Today introduce the bare PCB YQ loader. The first one is standard, and this is customized. The weight can up to 500 mm. The whole machine is much bigger. First, prepare the power source, connect the SMEMA with next machine, and add the air source. After finish this preparation, then you can start the machine. YQ loader is used for loading the bare PCB to the production line, but magazine loader can do bare PCB and double-sized PCB. We're using the Panasonic PLC and English touch screen, very easy to operate. Inside, the suction nozzles are movable to find a better place on PCB to ensure the PCB is clamped. Open the backside door and put the bare PCBs onto the platform. It will go up automatically like video show. The nozzle will move and suction the PCB and move back, drop it to the guide rail. The rail will transmission to the next station. Then finish one. OBSMT also have 2-in-1 machine, the magazine YQ loader. 2 functions. One is magazine loader, another is YQ loader. We put 2 functions in one machine. Then you can choose the right machine according to your situation. The YQ loader structure is fully enclosed to ensure the safe level of operation. The width is adjustable by manual or by motorized. It's optional. OBSMT focus on the SMT and DIP handling systems for many years. We insist on high quality and reliable after-sales service. If you have any interest, welcome to contact us. We're looking forward to cooperate with you. Thanks.